Alrighty, so this is the agency overview video of AA Financial, the blueprint all-star, how we work things, specifically, and how this business works as well. So to get right into it and jump into it, there is 4 realities to this business, right? This is going to be a business. This is not a 9 to 5 job. The sooner you're going to treat it like a business, the sooner it will pay you like a business. So you're either going to be winning or learning on this journey. There is no such thing as losses. The faster you fail, the faster you're going to learn. With that knowledge, you're going to make the money that you need to make. And you guys have to understand and accept that people are going to say no. So please do not take it personal. Now, this is going to work. This business is not easy, but it is very simple. Alrighty. And then there is expectations as well. There is a standard we hold to ourselves. So $400 daily, no excuses, write down objections, review daily, learn faster, call your mentor after every presentations. Hitting the gym is consistently, that's, physically really good. Perfect your craft and Zoom or office daily. The vehicle of $20K, $400 each day, 1 close per day. 1 close equals $100 times 12, which is $1,200 times 85%. That's $1,020. And then you do the amount 1,020 times 6 days equals $6,000 and 120 weekly. It's $24,000 a month. And then $24,000 on average, the 20% chargeback rate. That's $20,000 net month. Now you can improve and reduce your chargeback rates to 10% with some tweaks you can make always, and that's with your mentor that can help you. And then how you get paid, it's 75% upfront and then 25% backhand, pays out month 10, 11, and 12. There's renewals as well every year between 5 to 8%. There's also overrides when you start building a team to make passive income difference between your comp and agents. There's also team bonuses for the IMO and producer bonuses that we'll go over in a little. So this is a very example. 100 times 12 equals 1,200. Starting comp 80 to 85, and then commission payout is 1,020. All right. Then this is the commission guidelines. Starting at 85%, going all the way up to 145. You can go all the way up to 120, 110 personal, all the way up to 145 team building. So really, really good. If you want to take a picture of this, look at it. If you have any questions about it, we'll talk about it in the second call. Then these are all the producer bonuses. Very simple. Monthly producer bonuses, 20K and left equals $650. It keeps going. Very good. That means the IMO is giving you money because you're producing. So you're getting paid for what you're worth. We have our partners. These are all the carriers we work with, like America, Mutual of Omaha, Transamerica, AIG, Aetna, also known as CVS Health. We are one of the number one IMO with all these carriers. So they're all A-rated carriers right there. Now to move along, we have carrier bonuses. Very nice. Carrier give us bonuses as well. They pay us because we write so much business. We also have leads. So it's all in-house leads, no cold calling, all warm leads. They actually want life insurance. They've inquired about it before. Obviously, you're going to have those people that are cooked still. They say no. But what you have to do is be that good salesman and be able to serve them with your heart and figure out their why and emotion. So that's all the stuff that you get on lead. And then you have over here, this is the top 10 and top 20. Noah Necredo, the first one, $295K personal in 1 month. And you can keep going down the line. All of them $100K. Colton Palmer at $100K. Eric at $74K. Me at $45K. And you just see all these big numbers by big names. It's because we are one of the top producers in the IMO and our country. So that's really good to see, to have this culture and people around you at high level. You'll also get free first sales training with us, regularly updated every week. This is the weekly schedule we get: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Very simple, 9:30 a.m. These are always the same. These never change, so please take a picture of that. These are always training schedules as well with that. So this is like how it would be posted on the Instagram. So please take a picture of that. And if you guys want them to answer your questions, you have to text them all in so we know that you watched this video. So if you text them all in, I'm all in, then we know you watched this video and we'll hop on that second call so we can answer your questions and see if this is going to be a good fit for you. Have a safe night.